The signal point mapper converts a Boolean bit stream into an array of one of two possible values. General idea being that a true value for the Boolean array maps to one numerical value and a false maps to a different numerical value. I'll begin by establishing the front panel control for the bitstream input, as well as the two numerical values to associate with the true and false values. Alright, probably the fundamental technique here is based on the select node. You might think of this as a 2-to-1 multiplexer. The general idea is that based on the Boolean input, we pick either the input on the true side or we pick the one on the false side. Now, just doing a straight connection to our bit stream doesn't work. In order to see why, let's turn on the context help menu, and it says that we've got essentially a situation here where the select node is expecting only a single Boolean value, not an array of values. Now if we wrap this inside a for loop, the loop will automatically cycle over all the values inside our bitstream Boolean array. And so what we have presented to the select node then is a single Boolean, and then we pick whether or not that's supposed to be the true level or the false level. With auto indexing enabled, as we run through that loop, we simply accumulate all of the values, and so then we generate an array of values as our result. So that works out pretty well. Also, I wanted to mention that the default value for the true input is supposed to be 1, and the default for the false level is 0. Simply say make current values default, and you've got that covered.